How serious is the alert stop vehicle leave engine running in my Mercedes? So, your Mercedes is displaying a message on the dashboard. That reads, "Stop vehicle leave engine running." In an attempt to get to the bottom of the issue, you did extensive research and found this presentation. Here's what covered on this page. The exact meaning of the alert, prominent reasons behind its appearance, risks of ignoring such an alert, the right approach to deal with it. The meaning. The message appears when the onboard computer detects anomalies in your Mercedes electrical system. It could be anything, from a glitch in the vehicle's charging system to a dying battery. You better find out the trigger, the culprit that has resulted in the activation of the message. Because if you don't, you might end up with expensive electrical repairs down the road. Why your Mercedes might be displaying the alert. Potential reasons include: Number 1, your battery is struggling to hold charge. When was the last time you had your Mercedes battery tested? Lead-acid batteries might have high reliability, but they have a shorter lifespan, 3 to 5 years. They deteriorate as time goes by. Battery deterioration is one reason why your Mercedes might activate the aforementioned alert. Number 2, the alternator is not functioning as expected. This is yet another reason why your Mercedes might display the stop vehicle, leave engine running alert. The charging system is entrusted with the task of keeping the battery properly recharged, supporting the overall electrical energy requirement of the vehicle. If one of its components give up, the power generation will be disrupted, activating the set alert. Number 3, something is draining the battery. Security features running in the background when the vehicle is off. Parasitic drain can result in depletion of the battery. This abnormal discharge of the battery power can also activate the stop vehicle, leave engine running. Number 4, overloading with multiple accessories. Simultaneous use of too many electrical accessories can overload the system. This can also result in the activation of the warning message. Risks of ignoring the alert. Ignoring the alert can contribute to unexpected stalling problems, all sorts of electrical issues. From flickering lights to starting trouble, performance loss, compromise, safety mechanisms, malfunctioning of comfort features, etc. How to respond? If your Mercedes is displaying stop vehicle leave engine running alert, don't take it for granted. Have a professional check on its battery and key charging system components, including the starter motor. Repair the issue at your earliest convenience. That's your best bet. Closing remarks. Stop vehicle leave engine running alert in your Mercedes could point to one of the following issues: weak/dying battery, charging system malfunction, parasitic power drain, electrical system overloading. Finding and fixing the culprit at your earliest convenience could save you a lot of hassle.